My dear students, as we are talking about different concepts of employee orientations, and let's talk about location and setting. The site selected for your organizational orientation program should be centrally located and convenient for more employees. If you are conducting such kind of program in one corner of the organization, obviously sometimes it is not comfortable for each employee to attend such kind of program. So if it would be centrally located, it would be more convenient for everyone to attend such kind of programs. It should easily accommodate the number of people scheduled to attend, but not be too large, because you must know that how many people are attending the program, and you have to select the space according to the total number of people. It should not be the case that number of people are attending 100 and the space is only 60 or 70, and number of people are attending only 20 and the space is 100. So it should not be the case. Tables should be provided since literature is likely to be distributed and employees will probably want to jot down notes during the course of the presentation. So tables must be provided. There should be a literature available for each and every employee. There must be a copy pencil so that people can note down different kind of information, the critical information which you are going to provide at the day of employee orientation. Tables and chairs should be arranged in a casual manner. Round tables are more preferable over a classroom style arrangement, because classroom style arrangements are very formal, and for these reasons auditorium should be avoided, because auditoriums have a classroom sort of arrangement. So it's better to have a round tables, and 5 or 6 people can sit on a one round table and they can share their experiences and their views as well. Then content. Basically, all topics covered during an organization orientation fall into one of two categories. The one category, what employees can expect from the organization. What are the employees' expectations from the organization? And a second, what the organization expect to receive from employees. So two kind of expectation, one from employee from organization, and second from organization from employees. Beyond these two broad areas, organizations can choose from wide selection of additional topics suitable to their work environment and relevant to a particular group of participants. So the questions or the information should not be limited to these two key questions, but it can be included some other areas of importance. When identifying the specific content of an orientation program, keep in mind one thing, that employees want first and foremost to feel welcome. So it is a welcome party. It is not a party in which you are telling them rules and regulations. They are also interested in knowing the policies and procedures that affect them, the repercussion of violating policies, what the company expects of them. But please take such kind of information a little bit at the end. What warrants rewards and recognition? Remember too that information retention can be low as 15% on the first day of the work. So don't fire too much information to the new employees. After all, the overall retention is only 15% on the first day in the organization. That said, it's not advisable to start off by describing the organization history, products, services, or organizational structure. Also, don't begin with explanation of how the organizational sets is apart from its chief competitors. So all these information should be placed at the end rather than in the start. In the start, you just need to welcome new employees and provide them benefits, things, and the sort of enjoyment in the company. The employer who starts off by describing its employee-friendly program, this is a wonderful thing that you are telling your new person that the organization has employee-friendly practices, and that is the right idea. Such kind of informations are attention grabbers and establishes the organization's commitment to its workforce. So in the start, tell such kind of things so that you can grab the attention of all of your workers and employees, and it would enhance the organizational commitment of your workforce. When it's time to discuss programs, policies, and procedures and the like, focus first on those that benefit employees, such as email and the internet usage, while the describing ramification for violation at the end ease into a discussion of company objectives by talking about how individual goals can coexist with those of the organizational goals. So alignment of individual goals with organizational goals must need to be informed in the employee orientation program, so people can know that how important they are for that particular organization.